using these for, what is it? Bracing. Well, brace, whatever. Those are going to be the ends. That's just a random piece of wood. One of these is going to be the bottom, and the rest are going to be the sides, right?
What?
One of these.
Yeah, one's the bottom, and two of them are going to be sides, and those are the end pieces.
Yeah, okay. And that's just a random piece of wood. Yep. And then there's Candy. She smushed a roly-poly earlier. Yeah, it was sad.
All right, and this lumber here, the ones that's bracing, is just stuff that was out in the wood pile. As you know, I always do just what is available because I'm not qualified to use brand new stuff yet. Although I would like to use some brand new stuff to do some shelves. Like I said, I gotta learn how to do this stuff first. But I got this stuff out of the wood pile. I think this came off of an old porch that was given to us that I had to disassemble. And that's what I'm going to be using, hopefully, for bracing for the corners of this thing.
Candy, come here. Candy. Come here. Come here. It's your fault that you fell over. Candy, do a trick.
Okay, so now we have to take a break because the bird is calling for food again.
Yeah, this is like the third time in like 10 minutes. Well, like second time in 10 minutes, sorry. What are we gonna name him?
Fly free.
Fly Flea?
Because I wanted to fly away.
Candy, do a trick. Do a trick, Candy. Candy, do a trick. Candy, do a trick. Yep, play dead. Good job. Okay, so far we've put that side up, that side up, that end up, and now we just have to put the other two on. And hopefully it doesn't fall over.
My measurements have been off a little bit, which is not unusual for me, but that's okay. This is just particle wood. And now you can see right here where I've missed with the screw. But that's okay. My bracing will help cover that up. And we're going to put the two sides on, and then we're going to try to do some bracing and see if we can make it more sturdy. I'm actually kind of surprised at how sturdy it is right now.
Like when she only put 4 screws in here, and she told me to get up, it actually it held. We were afraid I was going to fall over.
Okay, let's go ahead and put the third side on.
Okay, we'll be back.
All right, we have the third side on. Still having some near misses, but we're getting there. Okay, we've got all 4 sides on. Kinsey's going to hand me one of these other little brace boards that I've cut. And what I'm going to try to do, let me see the board now. What I want to try to do is set them in here this way and screw them in hopes that not only to reinforce it, but also make it where I don't have sharp corners for the chicks to get into if they get cold. And I don't know if this is going to be enough of a deterrent to keep them from getting in the corner and dying, but we'll try it. But if nothing else, it'll make a good brace, hopefully. That's the goal.
Yep. 1 brace complete. Second brace done. Fail. Take 2.
Missed on that one too.
Done it. Fail again. 4th. Take 4, sorry. Did you get it?
Yep, that one hit.
Yay! spider went?
I'm not looking at spiders, sweetheart.
Okay. Hit it! Yay! We did it! Wait, isn't that complete?
Yeah, that's kind of,
Yeah. Third place, complete. Fourth place, complete. We did it! We completed all the braces.
Okay, let me see the camera. Okay, I'll talk to you. Okay. Alright, this is what I'm planning on doing with the brooder for right now. I'll put some shavings on the bottom of it, and Kinzie will follow me over here. I will show her something else. I don't know if y'all remember on a previous video, I had built this screen top, and I had built it to sift dirt. Since then, I have been using it for drying onions and stuff, but I believe this will also work as I will transfer these to something else and use this for my brooder top. I can put my light up there. I can put it in there so the chickens can't get out. So we'll have, I believe we're set. I think we're going to have to get some more bedding at the feed store tomorrow, and the chicks will be here tomorrow morning, and I think we're doing good. I think we're going to be ready for them.
Place where we're gonna put the brooder. We think, right? This is where we're gonna put the brooder.
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's where we're gonna put the brooder. Tell me if you need help. Okay, moving the brooder.
That works right now. Grandpa's going to start this clothes away.
Yeah. When you set it next to to these clothes, and it almost seems like this is your hamper where you put your dirty clothes, doesn't it?
I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put some bedding in it.
Yep. Now to go find bedding. Oh, try not to break your glasses. We found the bedding. Okay, wait. The bedding was so far away from us. It's like on the other side of the barn. These things always freaks me out. I keep thinking it's a real snake. Like a live snake. It's creepy. Oh. Putting all the bedding in. Now to try to break it up. Breaking the bedding up more. I don't know what Grandma's doing. What was that? It was like a dick something. What's that? Anyway. Have to keep breaking it up. Grandma thinks she added too much. Now I don't know what she's gonna go get. But oh, we're not gonna get. Oh, you're not gonna get the. Okay, never mind. We're not gonna put it back in the original bag.
Well, I'm going to show it to Grandpa and see what he thinks we should do. If he does, we can put it back in our bag. If not, I may just crumble it on out and let it go. I know we're going to have to get some more bedding anyway and put it on top of it and stuff, so we'll just have to see it go. And this is for only 12 chicks, and thank God it's for only a couple of weeks because that's not a very big brooder, but that get us started. And I'll do something bigger later on down the road, especially if I can start doing more meat birds like I want to. But I'm excited. This is my first round trying to do some meat birds.
Yep.
It'll be cool.
Yep. And you're getting them from Quackle Hatchery? Right?
Cackle?
Oh, Cackle. We're getting these meat birds from Cackle Hatchery. Not sponsored, just got our chickens from you. Bedding tool to break up bedding. Not the white tool, but it'll work. Bedding broke up.